Before the Roman period, the Veneti people settled along the Adriatic and Atlantic coasts. The ancient Veneti used to offer their swords to the waters. In medieval tales, the Excalibur sword re-emerges from the waters to be donated to King Arthur by the Lady of the Lake. Along the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, the Veneti had colonies in Brittany, Wales, Scotland, and Donegal, precisely in the regions where the Arthurian saga developed. The book King Arthur's Tribe provides proof that the myth and history of King Arthur originated among the tribes of the Veneti living on the Atlantic shores.